I was woken up early in the morning by my parents and they told me to leave the house quickly. A fire had broken out in Puddin' Lane. It was very hard to see where we were going because there was smoke everywhere. All around me, flames licked at the thatched roofs, and I watched in horror as it spread across each and every house. The wind was blowing, and this just helped the flames on their journey. I could see the spinster from down the road running to safety, and the chimney sweeps had gathered their brushes. I hope the fire doesn't get across the bridge. If it does, then everyone else will be in great danger. Where should I go now?
My worst fears have come true, and the fire is unstoppable. It has spent the last day raging through the city, and so many buildings have been destroyed. The apothecary and blacksmith shops have gone. They've been turned into a pile of rubble and ash. This evening feels like it is still day, because the fire is burning so brightly. If it wasn't so serious, I would think it was quite pretty. The ash has fallen all around us, like snow. I think we need to try and escape, but I don't know where we should go. Can anyone help us?
Tuesday, 4th of September. The fire is out of control now, and it is so hot that the firefighters can't get close to it. Our equipment has been no match for the strength of the fire. Water hooks, buckets, and hoses have made no difference at all. The king came up with a new plan to knock down all the remaining houses. If the fire has nothing to burn, then it will hopefully die out. We have all been ordered to leave what is left of our homes. We ran into the street with as much of our belongings as we could carry. It's not much, but it means something to us. I heard that some people chose to bury things in their garden to protect them. I'm not sure if that works, but maybe it was worth a try. Some people took carts or ran away on foot. We were lucky and managed to get one of the boats from down by the river. I looked back as we set off and watched the brave people who had stayed behind to carry on fighting. The wind has now died down a bit, so hopefully that will help them. Can it be true that this monster burnt down 100 houses in just an hour?